Hello and welcome everyone to ifactnerd.com's How to Concentrate on Studies for Longer Hours video tutorial. This video tutorial gives tips to students on how to concentrate on studies for longer period of times. This video will motivate you and will help you in developing your stamina to concentrate on study for longer hours. We will discuss the following points and tips in this video tutorial. Why do we get distracted? Tips to concentrate on studies, which include motivation and inspiration, setting up goals and making the right timetable, taking appropriate breaks, taking care of health, physical and mental, one thing at a time, using external aids, avoiding external disturbances, switching off communication, online and offline, rewarding yourself, creating the right study environment, maximizing concentration during exam hours. Why do we get distracted? Lack of concentration is not only a problem for students. It's a universal problem of humans. We can easily be distracted. Our minds are developed and designed for multitasking. Therefore, sometimes it becomes difficult to concentrate on a single thing. In case of students, it's the studies. Secondly, there are many internal and external factors which forces us to think of the other things and we lose concentration. Moreover, no matter what people say, studies is one of the most difficult tasks for humans and especially for teenagers. Studies need a lot of brain power. A person should be in a good physical and mental health to utilize that brain power, as teenagers and people in their early 20s are still growing. Therefore, they need a little bit of extra time to relax and to sleep more. So how can we concentrate on studies? Here are the 11 tips. Motivation and inspiration. First and foremost, we need motivation and inspiration to work hard and concentrate on our studies. Motivation can be of two types. The first one is the positive motivation. That is, we motivate ourselves with rewards. What will we get if we study? The second one is the negative motivation. That is, we get motivated by the fact that we will lose if we don't concentrate on our studies. Setting up goals and making the right timetable. Once we get motivated and inspired to concentrate on our studies, then we should develop realistic goals and timetable. Realistic goals and realistic timetable is required for long-term commitment. It happens that we get motivated and then set higher goals and very ambitious timetables. But when we start losing our targets, we become demotivated. We lose concentration and we don't study anymore. So always be realistic. Taking appropriate breaks. If you haven't studied for a considerable amount of time, then start with 15 minutes span. Take a few minutes break and then study for 15 minutes. Do it for a few days. Increase the spans to 20 minutes, 25 minutes, and so on. If you may like, then you can also decrease the time of breaks. This will help you in getting your study momentum back. This is closer to the rolling stone concept. Once the stone starts to move from the top of the hill, then its speed is slow. It faces friction. Once it gets momentum, it falls down faster and smoother. Taking care of health, physical and mental. To concentrate on your studies, you need to have a good mental health and physical health. Study is hard. To improve your physical health, you should sleep according to your body requirements. Teenagers need more sleep as their body is growing. If you require 9 hours sleep to perform at the optimal level, then sleep for 9 hours. Eat green vegetables, fruits, and some meat and fish. Try to eat less at regular intervals rather than eat more at once. Eating at once may slow you down. Drink tea and coffee responsibly. If you take 2 cups of tea in normal days, then try to stick to them. You may take an extra cup of tea or coffee if necessary. Don't consume too much tea or coffee. It may give you boost for shorter period of times, but as days pass, you may become immune to the caffeine intake. Do light exercise, cycling or strolling to put your body in optimal health. Our research shows the people who do some kind of exercise can remember things for a longer periods of times. For mental health, try to meditate or pray. Discipline your mind. If your mind wanders during study, stop and concentrate on studies. Don't fight with others. Don't indulge yourself in unnecessary activities. If you have a fight with parents, siblings, or friends, then try to forgive and forget. Ask for forgiveness if it's your fault. It will give you mental relaxation and you will be able to concentrate on studies. Try to be happy. If something is bothering you, set aside a time to deal with it. Solve it before it consumes your study time. Or tell yourself that you will deal with it after the exams. Motivate your friends to study hard and you will feel the internal motivation to study hard. One thing at a time. Concentrate on one thing at a time. If you have put time to study maths, then study maths at that time. Sometimes it seems easier to close down the difficult book and read the easier subject. Or is it easy? It is easy to solve easy problems than the difficult ones. Don't do it. Try to stick to the schedule, because you will not find much time to solve the difficult problems. They will build up into a burden and demotivate you. Using external aids, If you feel that an external aid helps you on concentrating on your studies, then use it if necessary. For example, if you feel that music really helps you to concentrate, then listen to the music. Try not to listen to the songs as they have lyrics, which may cause you to lose concentration. Avoiding external factors. There are many external factors which are out of your control, which may cause you to lose concentration. For example, if you live near a busy road, then traffic noise may disturb you, or your siblings may make noise. Try to use earplugs in this scenario. Try to find out ways to avoid those external factors. If noise is a problem, then try to study at night or early in the morning. Switching off communication. We are living in an always-on world. Avoid external communication when you are studying. Put your communication off when you are concentrating on your studies. Switch off the mobile phones. Don't use tablets or computers if they are not necessary. Don't use social media and other sites. You may use them during your break times. Try to avoid the offline communication, for example, with parents or siblings during your study time. Ask them not to disturb you during your study hours. You can use the Do Not Disturb sign on your door while studying. Rewarding yourself. Once you achieve your interim targets, then reward yourself mentally or physically. You may watch a movie, visit a friend, call a friend, or you reward yourself in a way you like. For shorter targets achievement, you may listen to an inspiring and fast music, or watch a short motivational video during your break time. Creating the right study environment. Choose your study space wisely. Take care of proper lighting, ventilation, cleanliness, etc. Try to use chair and table. Don't study on your bed. Prepare yourself and get ready before starting your study. Create a proper environment. Take all the books, copies, pens, table, computers, food, water, etc. Prepare yourself. When you sit. So you don't have to leave study to get an extra paper or a food item. Maximize your concentration level for the exam's timing. If you know your exam timetable, then concentrate and sit continuously for those number of hours during the day. Let's assume that your paper's duration will be from 9 to 12 in the morning. Then try to sit and concentrate 9 to 12 in the morning every morning. Try to do the written revisions during that time if you will have to write the answers during the exam's timing. Thank you very much for joining me. Please share this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in other tutorials. Take care. Bye.